Now we'll discuss the continuity, the concept. We'll clear again the concept of this continuity by with some examples. So we'll take some examples. First example. So discuss the continuity of f of x is equal to 1 minus cos x upon x sin x for x not equal to 0. f of 0 is equal to 2 at x is equal to 0. Now this example is in the case first. That is different cases we have studied in the concept of the continuity in that first case example. So we find this limit x tends to 0 f of x. Now you have to know this x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. So x not equal to 0, the function is defined here like this. So is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x divided by x sin x. Now we will evaluate this limit by the methods of the limit. So if we put here 0 for direct method, 1 minus cos 0 divided by 0 into sin 0. So that is equal to 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So sin 0 is 0, 0, 0. So that is equal to 0 upon 0. So in determinate form, the value of function is not defined. Now here we'll go to the limit. Now you will go to the limit if you observe here the trigonometric functions. Now to make this denominator non-zero, here x sin x, so you want to divide by the x square, because in trigonometry we have a formula limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1. As we will divide here denominator by x square, you want to divide the numerator also by the x square. So to divide the numerator by x square, we use here formula 1 minus cos x, that is the trigonometric formula, 2 sin square x by 2. So that is equal to, we will write now this limit x tends to 0, 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x sin x. So that is equal to limit x tends to 0, 2 will take the constant outside, sin square x by 2 divided by x square divided by x sin x divided by x square. So that is equal to 2 limit x tends to 0 sin x by 2 divided by x square. Now here angle x by 2, so here also x by 2 is required. Now 2 square is a 4. So at denominator is divided by 4. So you multiply here numerator by 1 upon 4. Divided by, the 1x gets cancelled, so sin x upon x, so that is equal to 2. Now this limit is 1 square into 1 upon 4, limit of constant is constant, and this is 1, so 1 half. So limit x tends to 0 f of x is coming 1 half, and f of 0 value is given here 2. So here limiting value and the function value are not equal. So since limit x tends to 0 f of x not equal to limit not equal to f of 0, therefore f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to x is equal to 0, and discontinuity is removable. And here limit is existing, is removable and can be removed by redefining f of 0 is equal to limit value, that is 1 half. So if we give the function value f of 0 is 1 half, the function becomes continuous. So initially the function is discontinuous, but we can remove the discontinuity and we can make the function continuous. Now we'll study the second example. So here f of x is equal to 3 raised to x minus 1 bracket square upon sin x log 1 plus x. For x not equal to 0. So we'll take the limit of that as x is not equal to 0. So limit x, solution second, limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 bracket square divided by sin x log 1 plus x. Now by direct method, observe the form. If we put here 0, 3 raised to 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is a 0, sin 0 is a 0, log 1 plus 0, log 1 is also 0, 0 upon 0 in determinate form. So by putting x equal to 0, we'll check the form. Now if this is 0 upon 0 in determinate form, now if we observe the function, so here exponential function, trigonometric function and logarithmic function. Limit x tends to 0 here. You recall the methods of the limits. So for exponential function, as x tends to 0, which formula method? Standard formula method. So if we observe the function exponential form, the formula is there. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a. So that formula you want to fit here. Denominator sin x upon x is required. Sin x upon limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is 1. So we want to divide numerator by x square. Similarly here sin x is divided by x, and similarly log of 1 plus x, that also will divide. So we will divide here numerator and denominator by x square. So limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 upon x bracket square. We have divided numerator by x square. Now here sin x divided by x. By keeping the formula in mind, we will do the adjustment directly in the example. And 1 upon x log of 1 plus x, or directly you can write log 1 plus x upon x. So that is equal to, now their formula, so log 3 bracket square, this value is 1. So you apply the theorem directly here, division of function, division of limit, multiplication of function. Now here log 1 plus x upon x, limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x upon x, that value is 1. So that is equal to log 3 bracket square, and f of 0 value provided here 2 log 3. Now log 3 bracket square, not possible to write log 2 log 3. Log 3 square we can write 2 log 3. So since limit x tends to 0, f of x not equal to f of 0, therefore f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 0, and discontinuity, limit is existing but limiting value is not equal to the function value. So we can remove the discontinuity, and discontinuity can be removed by redefining f of 0 is equal to limit value, that is log 3 brackets. So like this we will discuss the continuity of the second example. Now third example, that is the second case example, when the function is defined for less than and greater than. You want to take left hand limit and right hand limit and the value of function. So third example we will see. So here you want to discuss the continuity at x is equal to 2. Function is defined for x less than or equal to 2, also for x greater than or equal to 2. So we will take this left hand limit. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus, 2 minus is x less than 2. So for x less than 2, function is x plus 1. So x plus 1. So that is equal to, that here algebraic function direct method is applicable. So 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 3. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. So limit x tends to 2 plus Now 2 plus means x greater than 2. So here x greater than 2. The function is x square minus 1. Here also the direct method. So 2 square minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is a 3. And f of 2 is equal to, that is the value of function at x is equal to 2. Now here x is less than or equal to 2. Here not equal. So for x is equal to 2, the function is defined by this equation x plus 1. So 2 plus 1, so that is equal to 3. Now if you observe, left hand limit, right hand limit and value of function at x is equal to 2 are equal. So since limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to f of 2, therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So function is always continuous at x is equal to 2. Now fourth example, the given function is continuous and you want to find some unknown values. So that type of example. So fourth example. Now f of x is defined like here, like this: 1 minus x upon pi by 2 minus x bracket square for x not equal to pi by 2. That is equal to 3k for x equal to pi by 2. Function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Find k. So since f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, therefore by definition f of pi by 2 is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. By definition of continuity, as the function is continuous, function value at x is equal to pi, at that point pi x is equal to pi by 2 is equal to limit value. Now function value is given here 3k. So 3k is equal to limiting value, limit x tends to pi by 2, 1 minus sin x divided by pi by 2 minus x bracket square. Now here the limit part started. So you put here x is equal to pi by 2, 1 minus sin pi by 2 is 1. So 1 minus 1, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is a 0. So that is equal to 0 upon 0 in determinate form. So direct method fail. Now if you observe the function here, function is trigonometric function. So you go to the methods of the limits which we have studied in the limits of trigonometric functions. Now here, when other than 0, you think whether their identity is applicable, factorization is applicable. Here no identity is applicable. Standard formula is not applicable. Direct method already failed. So we'll go to the last method, fourth method, method of substitution. So we'll put here as x tends to pi by 2, you put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. As x tends to pi by 2, h tends to 0. So 3k is equal to, we get limit h tends to 0, 1 minus sin pi by 2 plus h divided by pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus h and square of that. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus. Now when odd multiple of pi by 2 is added to the trigonometric function, the ratio changes. Sin is to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan. We have studied in the trigonometry allied angles. In some periods, we'll take this basic of this trigonometric function here. So 1 minus, now the ratio change, cos h. Now here, you want to observe the sign also, where it is positive, negative, etc. Now here, h is the acute angle always, plus h first quadrant, minus h second, fourth quadrant, positive, negative angle. In that pi by 2 is added, so angle lies in the second quadrant, and you know this ASTC. That is, in first quadrant all trigonometry is positive, in second quadrant only sin is positive, in third quadrant tan is positive, and fourth quadrant cos is positive. Now angle in the second quadrant, ratio is sin, so here plus sign is coming, the minus sign remains as it is, divided by pi by 2 minus pi by 2 gets cancelled, minus h square means h square. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now use your formula 1 minus cos h is 2 sin square h by 2 divided by h square. So that is equal to 2 constant, take outside, limit h tends to 0. Sin h by 2 divided by h bracket square. Now here angle h by 2, so here h by 2 is required. That formula is sin h upon h. What is the angle here? Same at denominator. Now 2 square, we have divided denominator by 2 square, that is the 4. You multiply denominator by 4. So that is equal to 2, 1 square, 1 upon 4, constant, limit of constant, constant. So 1 upon 2. So 3k is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, k is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, fifth example, if we study. So here f of x is given log x minus log 2 upon x minus 2 for x not equal to 2, and function is continuous and x is equal to 2. You want to find f of 2. So since f of x is continuous at x equal to 2, therefore by definition of continuity f of 2 equal to limiting value, limit x tends to 2 f of x. Now function of limit is given here for not x is not equal to 2. So limit x tends to 2 log x minus log 2 divided by x minus 2. So that is equal to, now here by direct method, log 2 minus log 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, indeterminate form, direct method there. Now function is the logarithmic function. So to take the limits of the log, x tends to 0 is required. You know this, the limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x upon x is 1. So that formula we will use. So we will put here x is equal to 2 plus h, method of substitution, as x tends to 2, h tends to 0. So f of 2 is equal to, we will get limit h tends to 0 log 2 plus h minus log 2 divided by 2 minus 2 plus h and minus 2. This gets cancelled. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 upon h log a minus log b formula 2 plus h upon 2. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 log of 1 plus h by 2 raised to 1 upon h. Now you know this limit of log is log of limit. Right? So that is equal to log of limit h tends to 0 1 plus h by 2. Now here 2 upon h is required for application of the formula 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x, that formula. Now 2 extra, so 1 half. So that is equal to log of, now this limit is e by formula. This formula here we are using limit x tends to 0 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x is e. This formula we are using here. So this is e. X is equal to here h by 2 raised to 1 half. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 log e. Base of log is e. So 1 upon 2 into 1. So that is equal to 1 half. So f of 2 equal to 1 half. So in this way, you practice examples to discuss the continuity at point.